if you want to use touch type tool, first you have to type the text with type tool. Okay, select type tool and type here like this. Okay, from here you can increase the size, font size, or simply you can press and hold Alt plus Shift to increase the size. From here you can change the font. Okay, now you can use touch type tool. So you can select touch type tool. So see, click on a character to select, like this is selected. Individual character now you can select with this tool. Then you can change color of that particular character. From here you can increase or decrease the size of that character. Like if I select this one, you can see from here this point you can see with every character. Okay, so from here you can rotate like right side, or you can rotate on left side. Okay, same you can change colors. See, so this is called touch type tool. I hope now